Okay. It's Egor on the left. Egor's on the left. Over here, Ender is on top of Echo. Okay, it's Ender and Echo. Egor. Ender. Chewing on his little sister. Echo. What do you think, Egor? Ender, come over here so we can see your little face. Yeah, look at Ender's little face. He's way too busy. Now we've got major interference. Oh, this is working well. You guys. Yeah. Your core. Here's Ender. Hello, Ender. Oh, here comes Ender. Come here, Ender. Egor's really very stubborn little cat. You're a stubborn little cat. You want anybody to tell him what to do? Nobody tells Egor what to do. When to eat. Or anything else, huh? Is that right? That's right. That's right, Egor. Okay. Here's Ender. Ender. Yeah. Okay, Danny. Getting away again. Come on, Ender. Here's Egor. What are you doing, Egor? He's talking. What do you have to say? Yeah? What's out there? Egor. Okay. Everybody stood up. Egor's stirring everybody else up. Yes, he is. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, Ender. It's snack time again. It's snack time again. Oh, Egor. That was a pretty big fall. Well, certainly it wasn't affected. Okay. Can't seem to stay in the flower, can you? Hey. Oh dear. Okay. Egor in the flower and Ender in the basket. Okay. That's long enough.